Dito na yung mga kailangan kay Mister. Meron na din akong gamot para sa in case. And this side kay Mister dito. Ito sa mga bata. Charger. And here, so like half-half kami but mix, no? Sa akin and then sa mga bata. And here, dadalhin ko tong libro para kay Axel ko. But ilalagay ko to sa aking carry-on na bag. Carry-on lang yung mga namin guys. Wala kaming check-in. Parang nag-ano nga ako sana kasi hindi ko naisip na Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Sana ang ginawa ko na lang is kumuha ko ng 23 kilo na isang check-in. Kaya lang hand carry lang yung binayaran ko. So, isang pajama lang. Balik-balikin natin. Isang pants. Isang t-shirt. Marami akong sports bra 3. Tapos mga medyas. Maraming underwear. So, balik-balikin ko lang yan, guys. And chanelas namin dito for swimming. Ito lang. At saka, walang dala namin. Tsaka yung mga pang skincare, like makeup and everything. Ito yung ready na yung susuotin ng mga bata for airport. So, around 1:30, mag-book ako ng Uber. And then after that, since malayo yung airport dito, is hindi kami mag-Uber or makasave kami. Bili ng pagkain sa airport. Oh, ito pala yung 3-in-1. Lagyan na ng aking DJ, camera. So, ilalagay ko lang sa aking ang bag. I'm not sure kung yung na lang yung shoulder bag na coach na lang gagamitin. Gusto ko sana backpack para easy, but anyways. Puntahan pala namin na province. Magkaiba yung oras. Like ahead sila 1 hour. Ang time zone dahil sa location, guys. Sabi ko kay Mr. before na para wala nang hassle-hassle. Mag-Uber tayo patungo sa airport. Sabi niya, no. Kasi sa long drive, mahal. Well, he's right. So, sabi niya, may 3 naman sa airport and we don't have a lot, just those hand carry and then may ligid. Others can even push it, sabi niya. So, from here, punta kami sa downtown. From downtown, mag-train. There's na sa airport. Good. We are here, guys. Nandito na kami sa airport. Yeah. Right in front. Yeah, pee first. Mag-print lang tayo ng ating guys, boarding pass. Na namin, pero pa kami? Alas 5 pa yung boarding namin. Nandito na po kami sa aming gate. So, waiting lang kami na mag-opening yung boarding time. Nag-print pa ako ng boarding pass kanina. No need mo na pala yung boarding pass. Kasi nag-check-in ako online. Yung QR code na lang yung scan nila. But, it's good also na mag-print ka ng boarding pass. Kasi pag malubat ang yung cellphone, hindi, wala kay boarding pass. Alis! Ang aga namin pa. Ang aga namin. Nagka-alert to pala yung aking Nandito kami sa gate to. Nandito kami sa gate 24. 2 hours pa.
For Airlines would like to clear the foreign passenger Murat Penyesi to gate 20 as the flight to Toronto City is fully boarded and ready to depart. You're the last passenger. Passager Murat Penyesi, je devrais présenter l'appartement pour une information.
Alex, good job. Oh, no running, just walk fast. Nandito na kami. Papasok na kami sa grupan. Ah! Alex, be careful. Left ba? Nandito na kami guys. Tapos na kami nag-boarding. Axel! Axel and Daddy is there. Axel is looking. And me and Alex. Alex! So, nasa window side, si Alex. And also the other side, si Axel. Outside, sunny day. It's all.
Attachez votre ceinture, insérez les deux extrémités l'une dans l'autre et tirez la sangle pour l'ajuster autour de vos hanches. Pour la détacher, soulevez la partie supérieure.
You must wear your seatbelt when the seatbelt sign has been turned on, and we suggest wearing it even when the sign is off. Fasten your seatbelt by placing the flat metal fitting into the buckle and pulling on the strap to tighten around your hips. To release it, lift the upper portion.
Il y a deux issues de secours de chaque côté de l'avion. Adressez-vous à l'un de nous.
No,
In preparation for takeoff, please ensure your seat back and tray table are upright and your seatbelt is fastened. Aisles and exits need to be clear, and baggage, including purses and larger electronic devices such as laptop computers,
maglalanding na kami soon. Bumaba na kami. Nandun si Axel at ng kanyang daddy. Hi! Hi! Happy? Put your seatbelt on. Okay. Thank you, God. We land safely. Naka-check-in na pala kami, guys. And galing na ako doon sa room. Bababa lang tayo dahil gutom kami. Nag-order ako ng Uber Eats and pipick upin ko lang sa lobby.
Mommy,
We,
it's all the lights. Mommy,
no, we are lost. Come here.
Mommy, it's all the lights.
Yeah, I know, but we are lost.
Mommy, Mommy,
Yeah,
it's all the lights.
yeah,
The motor is on the lights.
yeah. Mali. Mali yung Mali pala yung side. Dito, this side lang. So, nag-order ako ng KFC. Pipikapin lang namin ni Alex. Alex, you don't need to run. Press down. Good job.
Close easy.
Yeah, close please. Ready, Mary? Chicken. Yeah, come on, so chicken popcorn. Oh wait, yeah, eat. Kain na kami.